Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to highlight verses on Bible Gateway Online. Open the website BibleGateway.com, then click Login/Sign Up. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see an option for Bible Book List. Click on Bible Book List. On the list, select the book and chapter you wish to read. Now, select the verse you wish to highlight. Then a toolbar will appear. Click one of the four colors, yellow, pink, blue, green, to highlight the passage in that color. That's how you highlight verses on Bible Gateway Online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.